Hey guys, so I'm starting off this Urban Decay Naked Cherry tutorial by taking the shade Caution, and this is going in my crease, and I'm just fluffing it outwards as well. This is my transition and blending color, perfect for me since I'm very fair. And then I'm going to go ahead and pick up the shade Feels, which is like a mauve-y kind of pink, and I'm putting this in the crease and also in the outer V, not going as far up as that Caution shade. And you'll see in this video I'm mixing a lot of colors. It's such an easy, effortless look. That's just kind of what I go for typically. Now I'm picking up the shade Bing with that same brush. I pretty much use the same brush the whole tutorial, putting that in the outer V and also in the crease. I really like this color. I felt like this shade really made my eyes pop. Now I'm wetting my brush with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and picking up the shade Ambitious. I'm putting that all over the lid. This kind of like blended in with all of my crease colors. I kind of felt like I needed a lighter shade on the lid. Even though this one was really pretty, I just kind of felt I needed a little bit, something a little bit lighter. So I picked up Bang Bang, which is also more pink, put it right on top. It helped a little bit. It also added a little bit of dimension too, so I was happy about that. Now I'm picking up the shade Devilish and deepening up the outer V even more with that same E25. Like I said, I pretty much use this brush for this whole tutorial. And then I'm going to take the lightest shade in the palette called Hotspot and just highlight right underneath the brow to brighten that area up. And I have so many tutorials with all of the Naked palettes, and I will leave all of those down below, and you should have seen some of them in the eye throughout this video. So now I'm taking my favorite concealer right now, the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. So good, cleaning up my edges like I usually do. And then I'm going to take that dark brown shade, the darkest shade in the palette called Privacy. I'm sorry I didn't get to show you, but I just deepened up the outer V again just to add a little bit more depth. And then I'm setting my under eyes with the FENTY setting powder. For the lower lash line, I first put Devilish on the outer half, and then I went in and took Privacy, the darkest shade in the palette, put that on the outer third. I really liked the way that looked. And then I went ahead and blended those two colors out with Feels and Caution. I wanted to add a little sultry vibe, so I took Privacy and I lined my upper lash line, and you'll be able to see the difference between this eye and my other eye. Just add a little bit more oomph, a little bit more depth, you know? So now I put on my false lashes, and then I made sure to put mascara on my lower lashes just so everything looked okay. And then I wanted to add a little bit of highlighter in my inner corners just to brighten it up. And that's it, guys. The tutorial is done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video and if you enjoy my tutorials in general, don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. That's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.